Thomas loves to work on his branch line, pulling his faithful coaches Annie and Clarabelle.
I will be photographed because I am the #1 tank engine.
Thomas is painted blue. When the Sodor football fans saw Thomas, they gave a big cheer.
The Fat Controller has a special for me. I will whoosh like the wind to bring your camera to you in time.
The photographer was delighted to have his camera.
Here it is, sir.
Thank you, Thomas.
Timothy is the little oil-burning steam engine who works at the Sodor China clay pits.
Hey, Timothy, we're looking for a truck. It's very important.
Then I'll help you find it. If we work together, we can get this cleaned up in no time.
Thank you, Timothy.
You're very welcome, Bill and Ben.
His name was Hugo, and he didn't look like any engine anyone had ever seen before. He was known as a rail zeppelin and was very popular with the passengers.
Hello, sir. My name is Hugo. I'm powered by diesel, but my engine drives the propeller at the back.
You're going to love this, Sir Topham. Hugo is incredible.
Welcome aboard!
Wow! He's amazing!
Oh, Thomas, that Hugo is the engine of the future.